What's up again, everybody? This is Tino, and I'm coming to you again with a video just talking about the razors again and how to hold it for shaving versus doing an edge up. So don't mind my mannequin. I know she's got braids and tattoos and a lot of stuff going on, but we're going to talk about how to hold the razor for doing a shave, and then what it's going to look like if you were doing an edge up and going to leave like an ash line or that line, you know, that you tap in that's made with like hairspray or drying out the skin, and then leaving that super sharp, crisp line. We're going to talk about the different ways to hold the razor to do both. So first of all, with our shave, you're going to rest your ring finger on the tail of the razor, and your thumb and pointer finger, and sometimes your middle finger should rest on the tang right here in order to control the razor in the best way that you can. So right here, if we were going to shave this cheek, we would pull this skin right here so that it's taut but not too tight, so we're going to leave them a razor burn. So what we'll do is hold this here, and we will have our razor at about a 30-degree angle. So we're going to make sure that we move this perpendicular right here. Typically you wouldn't have a razor on when you're working with a mannequin, just so you don't take off the wax and take the plastic or scrape it up. Actually, I'll take this blade out. Put it in my sharp disposal. So if we had a razor blade on there, it'll be the same thing. So we'll make sure this is perpendicular to the client, and we'll make sure that we're following a straight line and applying actually not even much pressure, but letting the weight of your hand pull the shaving stroke through. So with our different shaving strokes, you'll make sure that your thumb and the razor will start at your thumb typically. So wherever your thumb is, the razor will follow and move perpendicular to wherever you're pulling the skin top. So that helped me a lot. But the other thing is, if we're doing an edge up, right? So if you got your client tilted back and you're tapping in a line, even if it's a curved line like this one, typically this will be at a 90-degree angle, or 87, 88, whatever works for your client, what's going to look best. But you'll pull the skin taut the same way you would shaving, but the thing is, your razor is going to be at about a 45-degree angle, so it'll be tilted up a little bit more towards vertical. So the thing is that you're going to not use as much pressure, but the angle is going to change so that you can take those hairs and move a tiny bit of the skin into the line that you're trying to create. So if you want to make sure that the line is nice and crisp and that you're pulling everything into the line, you want to make sure that you got the razor at about a 45-degree angle, and sometimes about 50, in order to tap in that line the way that you really want to get it super crisp and sharp. So hopefully that helps a little bit with the straight razor. These are just different types of straight razors. I've got another video talking about how to load the razors into them, so check that one out. If you have any questions about any of this stuff, please don't hesitate to reach out. Send me a message on Instagram, leave it in the comments, whatever you want, and I'll get back to you. So thanks again, and I'll talk to you soon. All right, bye.